Hello and welcome to another vlog from The Blind Photographer. In this video, before we get started, I'm just going to quickly explain about my eyes, just in case people haven't seen the first video or so. I have an eye condition called retinitis pigmentosa, also known as RP, and this will take your vision over a period of time, whether it's quick or slow. So I am actually registered blind. I have 0 to 1% of vision in my right eye, which basically means it just lets in light. It doesn't give me any focus or clarity. And the left eye has 1 to 2% of vision, which means it's a lot of light with a focus area of around about a 5p piece. And that's what that is over here in the UK, just in case people are abroad. That's how much focus I have, which means doing photography is a bit of a challenge, but I like a challenge. So now moving on to the video, the camera that I've used throughout all of these pictures that you're about to see is the Canon 7D Mark II, which is a crop sensor camera of a 1.6. Now the settings that I've had this set to have really fluctuated quite a lot when taking pictures, because it does depend on what you're taking pictures of really. I've had the shutter speed down to maybe like 500th or a 1000th of a second, all the way up to maybe 25 seconds. Same with the ISO, down to 100 all the way up to 1000 plus, and the aperture has been set to 2.8 up to maybe f14 if I'm taking direct pictures of the moon. So really with the camera and the settings itself, it's a case of going out there, taking your picture and then adjusting one bit, then adjusting another bit to see if it gives you better quality of picture. And don't be scared of trying to adjust them as well. Get used to it, get familiar, and you'll get some nice rewards. So that's the camera. The lenses that I've used for this video are the Canon 24-70 2.8, the Tamron 150-600, which is a 5.6, and the Canon 70-200, which is also a 2.8. Very nicely lent to me by my little sister Annika, so thank you very much for that one. The focus on these three lenses have all been set to infinity, which is the little figure of 8 symbol. And once I've taken the picture, I then move the focus ring slightly to the left or slightly to the right of the symbol to see if it gives me any better sharpness in the picture. So that's the equipment. And really what I would say to you is, if you're getting into astrophotography, is just play around with the equipment, get used to it, get familiar with it, check out online what's coming up in the months ahead, whether it's planets or comets, etc. And set your timetable around that, and keep an eye on the weather as well. And some of the nights I've been up to 2 o'clock in the morning, and also getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning as well to get some pictures of, say, the Moon, Jupiter, Mars and Saturn, etc. So if you put the time in, it's very rewarding, and there's a lot of people out there that's willing to help on different forums and Facebook, etc. So that's me, that's my equipment, and this is my video of April 2020 from dusk until dawn. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.